Welcome to Arunachal Pradesh, the land of the dawn-lit mountains. Nestled high in the eastern Himalayas lies a mystical corridor between earth and sky. Sela Pass, a designated Geo-Heritage Site by the Geological Survey of India. Located in the Tawang district at an elevation of approximately 13,700 feet, Sela Pass is more than just a road that connects Tawang with the rest of India. It is a sacred gateway, a geological marvel, and a cultural treasure trove. Accessible by road from Tejpur or Guwahati, the journey to Sela Pass is a scenic odyssey through ever-changing terrain. The nearest airport is Holangi Airport, around 260 kilometers away, and the closest major railway station is Rangapara North Junction, RNY, Assam, both offering vital connectivity to this high-altitude Himalayan wonderland. At the heart of this high mountain terrain lies the Sela Lake, a pristine glacial lake nestled just below the pass. Locally known as Selatso, this shimmering body of water mirrors the rugged beauty around it, a spiritual and scenic jewel. But beneath this tranquil surface lies a deeper story, a story millions of years in the making.
Long ago, during the war, a brave girl named Sela guided Indian soldiers through the mountains. She knew every curve of this land. When the enemy attacked, she sacrificed herself to save her people. This pass is named after her, Sela. Her spirit still protects these mountains.
Sela Pass is a textbook example of a glacial pass, sculpted over millennia by the relentless movement of ancient glaciers down the Nuranang Valley. Here, the landscape speaks the language of deep time. U-shaped valleys carved by ice, bowl-shaped cirques where glaciers once originated, moraine ridges left behind like ancient footprints, and scattered erratic boulders, massive stones transported and dropped by glaciers far from their origin. These features tell the tale of powerful glacial dynamics and tectonic uplift, offering valuable insights into the region's quaternary geomorphology. Recognizing its scientific and educational value, the Geological Survey of India has identified Sela Pass as a Geo-Heritage Site to promote awareness of Earth's geodynamic evolution and preserve the natural integrity of this Himalayan treasure. Yet the significance of Sela Pass is not only written in rock and ice, it is also etched in memory, myth, and spirit. For the local Monba community, Sela Pass is sacred ground. The legend of Sela is woven into the fabric of the land, a tale of courage and devotion that lingers in the cold wind and silent cliffs. Nearby lies the Tawang Monastery, the second largest in the world, standing at an altitude of nearly 10,000 feet. Founded in the 17th century, it remains a beacon of Tibetan Buddhism, resilience, and spiritual continuity. Just a short distance away is the magnificent Nuranang waterfall, also known as Jang Falls. Dropping from over 100 meters, this roaring cascade creates a perpetual mist, often crowned by rainbows. But beyond its beauty lies geology. This waterfall is situated along an active fault line, offering clues into the seismic history of the region. Further up lies Piti Tso Lake, a lesser-known yet striking paleoglacial lake, surrounded by alpine meadows and rugged cliffs, a silent witness to glacial retreats of the past. Sela Pass is not merely a path through the mountains, it is a passage through time, myth, and geology. It invites every traveler, whether scientist, pilgrim, or wanderer, to pause, to learn, and to be humbled by the grandeur of Earth's natural history. Let us preserve and celebrate this marvel, for in its stones lie the stories of our planet, and in its winds the whispers of legends.